Hey everybody. So I thought I'd kind of end my video hiatus. I know it's been a while, and so I'll kind of ease into it with this subject, which is how AI helped one man and his brother build a $1.8 billion company. And then the topic to me overall within this is the myth of the one person $1 billion company. I think it's 100% a myth, and then even including this, right? And then this article here, and I think this article, to me, is a good job of summing that up overall if you actually read through it. And there's a part, it's you have to read through to almost the very end, and then it's right here. Medvi's aggressive advertising has led to legal and regulatory issues. In February, the FDA sent the company a warning letter about false and or misleading claims on their website. And then also the FDA is after them. And then last month, a lawsuit seeking class action status filed in the U.S. District Court of California accused Medvia of violating California's anti-spam law with its use of falsified header information. And then also, too, when you go down here towards the very end of the article, in September, Medvi began assigning human account managers to a subset of customers. When those customers call, text, or email with a question, they connect to the same account manager. The idea is that the account managers will get to know clients and remember details like birthdays or child names, creating higher customer satisfaction. Medvi's 7 account managers, all hired on contract, now have several hundred clients each, and they all use AI for that, etc. But so within this, there's a few things, right? Number one is that this isn't actually a one-person company or a two-person company. It's a two-person company with a multitude of contractors, at least 7 that we know of, according to this article. But I'm imagining that there's a lot more than just that 7, right? There's okay, so they built a company without employees, and then secondarily, they built a company that scaled quickly, a marketing company via improper marketing practices, which is pretty easy to do if you're skirting the law around those things and going in that capacity, right? So to me, it's still myth debunked overall with regards towards the one person, $1 billion company. And to me, it's I don't think that that's a goal that will ever be attainable, right? Like I've been at working and with growing companies and growing my own company and growing other companies for a long time and within that it's always teamwork makes the dream work, right? Like there's nothing that I've ever seen that surpasses that. Like when people are too individualized and all about themselves, it comes off very easily, right? That's what people read overall within that, and it's like why the one person company won't scale, right? Because it requires uh, skills that you can't, like if you're the type of person that can only drive a company via one person, then uh, you kind of inherently lack the skill set to scale a company to 1 billion or more than 1 billion, like overall, right? There's a lot of skill sets that you need within that, and then a part of that is interacting with people on some level overall, right? It's an impossible goal to achieve, to do it without any other people. Like it just it can't be done. Yes, AI it is and has been like absolutely scaling down the amount of people necessary to do things, right? And that's what AI does is and has been overall, right? It's like a compression engine, and it compresses these things, but it's not going to ever compress it down to 1. If it compresses it down to 1, it would compress it down to 0. Like that's like the more um, equivalent within that, right? Like at that point where it gets down to that level, like that's the end overall. But like I think we're still a ways off from that. Like do I think that goal that or I don't look at that as a goal first of all, but do I think that that is in the future? It's a possibility that is the future that could come about within this, but um, that's not the future that I would desire within it overall. Is kind of the bottom line within it. And so to me, overall, like the one person AI company, one person company overall is never going to happen. And like it doesn't, it's not realistic in any way. Overall, is kind of the bottom line within that, right? And then I guess just um, for me overall, again, it's been a while since I've put out videos and things like that. I've been going through, kind of a few different things that I don't want to like good and bad overall, right? That I don't want to and can't talk about yet. Like there's some of it I can't talk about yet. I will talk about very very soon. Hopefully, like um, within a week, I'll be able to talk about a lot of the things that I haven't been able to talk about on this channel. It's giving you the realistic time frame and the realistic timeline. I think it's about 1 week out, and then from there, I'll open up about like a lot more things overall. And then with regards towards like the hard things, it's good and bad, right? They're like 99 problems, no matter what comes your way overall. And then within that, like recognizing that there's always 99 problems, it's to me it's part of this overall equation, and this same concept of the like one person $1 billion company, right? It's that sometimes like if you can be your own worst enemy overall in those things, and then like lack of recognition of that can be and lead to blind spots overall that like you can't see through yourself, uh, and then like those like it's those things and those reasons, right? We're all humans, no matter what. Like people are human, right? At the end of the day, even if they have 25 or 30 AI agents plus them or whatever it would be, right? It's you still have your own individualized limitations, blind spots, weaknesses, etc. That just like can't be compensated for without like more than just one person overall, right? And then until that comes to fruition in an actual real world context where they're following the laws and going through all of that, then the point remains overall. And like again, I think it's going to be a long time until it gets disproven, and then once it gets disproven, like that's the end overall to me. And I don't think that's a good future um, overall within that. But so yeah, overall. I think it's a myth that the $1 billion one person $1 billion company is ever going to come into fruition because it requires teamwork, which makes the dream work. And if you like this type of content overall, please like and subscribe. Thanks, Ron.